Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically find new avatar decorations to purchase on Discord. So to do that, you are going to open up Discord, of course, go to shops, and here's where you can find all of the new items. If you want to find more in that collection, just like take me there and it's going to take you to that collection, or you're just going to want to scroll. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can basically view new avatar decorations on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Let me know what your favorite avatar decoration is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.